आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 17 September 2020. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to mark the statement of the Rajya Sabha today to recent the development between the India and the China troops along the LAC. Welfare activities being organized across the country to mark the Prime Minister Narendra Modi birthday today. India's Brazil and the South Africa call for the comprehensive reform UN Security Council. Trump administration reveals plan for the COVID-19 vaccine to all US citizens free of cost. Sports Minister upgrade the 8 Kilo State Center of the Excellence of the Groom Future Olympic Champion. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is scheduled to make the statement for the Rajya Sabha today on the recent development between the India and the China troops along the line of actual control Eastern Ladakh. Early on the Tuesday, Mr. Singh had made the statement in the Lok Sabha over the issue. Mr. Singh has stated for that the remain committee to resolve and the current for the issue for borders areas through the peaceful dialogue and the conciliations. He said the India believes the mutual respect and mutual sensitivity are the basic for the peaceful relationship with the neighbors. The center has set up the expert committee under the National Cyber Security Coordinator for the study supports reports and the release for the earlier week, which said the China based the company is mining data and the sniping on the hundred of the Indians politicals and leaders. Our correspondent reported that the sources in the government have been confirmed that the panel with the security the report evaluate the implementation, assess and the valuation of the law and the submit the recommendation within 30 days. A media report published in the leading day for the early and this week this state that the science-based companies and the Shuha's data information technology has been keeping tabs on over the 10,000 Indian individuals and organization its global database. The government has said that there has been the state decline and left wing the extreme the related the violence and the geographical spread of its influence in the country. Minister of State of the Home Affairs G. Krishnan Reddy said the written reply the question of the Rajya Sabha yesterday. The number of the deaths in the left wing the extreme related violence and reduced the constituency from the over the 1000 2010 to 2002. The last 2020 the deaths over the reduced for the 137 to 100 and total the 15th of the last comparison with the corresponding report of the 2019. In Jammu and Kashmir, the 3 terrorists were killed the encounter with the security force in the Malu area for Srinagar cities there in this morning. Taking the news for the DGP Dilbag Singh said the encounter broken out after the terrorists opened fire the security force and carry out the search operation in the Batamola area. Income Tax Department has issued the refund over the 1,60,000 crore rupees to more than 30 lakhs taxpayers between the 1st April to 15 September this year. In a tweet, Central Board of Director Tax CBDT said the income tax refund in the 31,741 crore rupees have been issued for the over the 29 lakhs cases. Corporate tax refund of the 74,729 crore rupees have been issued in over 1,74,000 cases. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal informed that the Lok Sabha that the 433 crore rupees have been collected for the state governments and the representative for the operating the 4,621 Shramik special trains since the 1st May this year. In the return, the reply to Lok Sabha, Mr. Goel said that 4,621 the Shramik special trains have been operated between the May 1st and the August 31st, carrying the 63.19 lakhs passenger on the home state. He said the railway has the collect the fare for the Shramik special trains from the state governments and their authorities. Representative Mr. Goel informed that the railway did not collect any directly from the passenger. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be dedicated the historic Kosi and the Kosi Rail and Mahasetu Mega Bridge to the national through the video conferencing tomorrow. The dedication of the Kosi Rail Mahasetu of the watershed movement in the history of the Bihar, an entire region of connecting the northeast. The Kosi Rail Mahasetu is a 1.9 kilometer long and its constructed cost 516 crore rupees. The project was completed during the COVID pandemic, where the migrant laborers also the participate. The dedication of this project will be fulfilled for the 86 years old dream. A part of this, the Prime Minister will be also inaugurate the 12 rail project related to the passenger facilities of the benefit of the Bihar. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappa D. Palaniswamy has said that the government is continuing with the two-language formula for the education in the state and reply for the education in the state assembly. Chief Minister said the government committed to the two-language policy. School Education Minister K.A. Santokyan said that government has the form for the committee to look into the aspects of the national education policy. Government has allowed the RT-PCR testing at entire the airport and the pilot basis the facility the transfer for the international passenger. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that the written reply for the Rajya Sabha, according to the guideline, airport operation will be the create a sample collection, some waiting for the long and facility. RT-PCR testing and the operating will be provide the option the passenger entire the stay for the waiting lounge, awaiting test result, or to the proceed for the designated hotel to isolate themselves till the test result are available. Passport of the passenger will be retained by the test authority at a sample collection complete and along with this test negative. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 17 September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे ये सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं